up, YouTube? This is my six and a half month thread update. I missed my 6th month on the 5th. So, yeah, they're coming along nicely. Somebody asked me a question on how well I keep them together in the early stages. When I first did them, I really twisted and ripped the shit out of them. Like, I really twisted and ripped the hell out of them. I did them all myself. I had 76 to begin with. I have like 69 now from Congoing. And they're coming along real good. They're starting to dry up the roots and starting to grow out a little bit. So, yeah, I'm happy with them. I don't do any maintenance like crocheting, palm rolling. I just wash them and separate them. I let some of them grow together, but like, oh, I think they're on the side. Got that guy right there. Got this Congo right here. I'll show you the back. This one's real twisted and crazy. They're really starting to get solid now. And when I first did them, I had a lot of people, a lot of friends that kept saying that they'd help me do them and, you know, help me twist and rub or back comb them and things like that. But none of them really ever pulled through on telling me they were going to help me out. So I had my little sister Sadie section them one day, and then over the next week, over the next 7 days, it took me about 56 hours of just sitting in the mirror, just twisting and ripping them and just getting them done and getting them done. But, you know, I guess if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. But, yeah, that's, so. I won't be getting rid of them for a long time. I did a lot of hard work on them, and, they're here to stay, and they're doing really well. So, see you guys next month. Peace.